So now you will be in a little bit of a V. Yep. Go back. I don't believe you. I mean, I wonder, when you went in a V, if your blue dots went choo. Okay, and then go back. So your femurs, don't let your femurs be too bossy.
Bossy?
Bossy, like they're not too bossy. They can move a little bit, like you don't have to be rigid, but you're not like femur. Sit up. Maybe there's a cupcake. Yeah, smell it, and then reach your jaws. Yeah, oh yeah, there you go. And then as you roll down, keep your cupcake in mind's eye, okay? And then down, wait, keep this long. And then down, 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 down.